In this video, we are going to look at equations with fractions. We have a question for solve the equation 4n minus 3 all over 6n plus 1 equals to 2n minus 1 all over 3n plus 4. So at this stage, we cross multiply. So this gonna have 4n minus 3 into bracket 3n plus 4 equals to 2n minus 1 times 6n plus 1. Moving on, we expand the bracket, just basically take 4n multiplied by 3n and take 4n multiplied by 4. Now we're gonna have 12n squared and plus 16n. Also do the same thing to minus 3 multiplied by 3n and minus 3 multiplied by 4. We're gonna have minus 9n minus 12 equals to, take 2n multiplied by 6n, 2n multiplied by 1. That's gonna be 12n squared plus 2n, and we also take minus 1 multiplied by 6 minus 1 multiplied by 1. We're gonna have minus 6n minus 1, right? Let's simplify. We have 12n squared, 16n minus 9n will give us positive 7n minus 12 equals to 12n squared. 2n minus 6n will give us minus 4n minus 1. Now let's see if we can eliminate some terms. We have here 12n squared at the left hand side, 12n squared at the right hand side is gone. Now we are left with 7n, grouping like terms, minus 4n become 4, positive 4n equals to minus 1 plus 12. This is gonna give us 11n equals to positive 11. And so we divide both sides by 11, 11n divided by 11 gives us positive 11 divided by 11. So we are left with n equals to 1. We can check for the value of n if that is true. Recall, we have n equals to positive 1. So this means that 4 into bracket 1 minus 3 or divided by 6 into bracket 1 plus 1 equals to 2 into bracket 1 minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 4. When you take 4 times 1, 4 minus 3 will give us 1. 6 times 1 plus 1 will give us 7. Okay, and here we have 2 times 1 minus 1 will give us 1, and 3 times 1 plus 4 will give us 7. So we see that n equals to positive 1 is true for this expression. Let's look at question 2. We have 2 over m plus 2 equals to 2 over m plus 1 minus 1 over m plus 4. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to simplify the term at the right hand side. So this will be 2 all over m plus 2 equals to the lowest common denominator of the expression at the right hand side will be m plus 1, m plus 4. So we are looking at this term. Now we have here 2 into bracket. This will be m plus 4 minus 1 into bracket m plus 1. Basically, what we did there is m plus 1 times m plus 4 all divided by m plus 1. So this is gone, we multiply it by the numerator. Moving on, we have 2 into bracket m plus 2 equals to, expanding the numerator, we have 2 into 2m plus 8 minus m minus 1, or divided by m plus 1, m plus 4. This means that we're gonna have 2 all over m plus 2 equals to 2m minus 1 will give us 2m minus m will give us m, and 8 minus 1 will give us 7, so this will be plus 7, all divided by m plus 1, m plus 4. Let's continue. We have 2 into bracket m plus 1, m plus 4 equals to m plus 7 times m plus 2. Expanding the bracket, you have 2 to bracket m squared plus 4m plus m plus 4 equals to m squared plus 2m plus 7m plus 14. Okay, now we're gonna have here 2 into bracket m squared plus 5m plus 4 equals to m squared plus 9m plus 14. Now moving on, that's gonna give us 2m squared plus 10m plus 8 equals to m squared plus 9m plus 14. So this expression becomes, let's simplify, group like this. So we have 2m squared at the left hand side, 2m squared at the right hand side. So this one of them is gone. We are left with m squared, and here will be 10m minus 9 give us positive m, that's 1m, and 8 minus 14 will give us minus 6 equals to 0. This expression led us to quadratic equation. So we're gonna think of the product of negative 6 and the sum of positive 1. So 3 and minus 2 will satisfy that condition. So we have the m plus 3, m minus 2 equals to 0. So the value of our m will be equals to positive minus 3, or m equals to negative positive 2. So we have to test for this. M equals to minus 3 and m equals to positive 2 will satisfy this equation. So you can go ahead and plug in this value into this expression and see if they are going to be equal. Thank you.